Hi, my name is Siva Kumar. I'm a consultant for renewable energy. I live close by to this hospital, but I was not at all aware of this hospital for quite some time. Maybe 6 to 8 months back, one of my friend's father had undergone a surgery in this hospital, and just to pay a courtesy visit to call on him, first time I stepped into this hospital. The moment I stepped into this hospital, I was totally amazed with the facilities. I was totally amazed with the ambience of this place, and I never had any feeling of being in a hospital. And there is a saying in Telugu which says, if you wish something, God also blesses you the same. The first time when I visited this hospital, my wife was also accompanying me, and I told to my wife that this is a hospital where one should really, feel blessed to undergo a surgery. And maybe God blessed me with my wish. Down the line, a fortnight ago, I had a problem. I'll explain what the problem exactly I went through. Fortnight ago, I was just watching a TV, and suddenly I lost my hearing ability. It was there very short, temporary. It was there for 20 minutes or so. And after 20 minutes, I could again listen back everything. But those 20 minutes, my both ears were totally muted. And that I took it lightly because I got my hearing back after 20 minutes. The same repeated thrice or 4 times in the next 2 days. Then I thought this is a serious problem which I need to address, and I have chosen this Continental Hospital, keeping a trust on the doctor's team this hospital has. And I called on Dr. Pradeep Singh, who immediately took the issue very seriously and who immediately investigated it and immediately diagnosed it as unsafe chronic suppurative otitis media with cholesteatoma. And he immediately advised me that I should go ahead with mastoidectomy with tempoplasty. All the terminology was totally lacking for me. Then I started searching in Google, what exactly is this? Then I understood how serious the situation is, and I also came to know it is only the infrastructure available in the hospital, and it is only the expertise of the doctor who is undergoing this, who is going to perform this surgery, will be able to get my back out of the danger. Because this surgery has lot of apprehensions. This surgery is very much vulnerable for lot of complications post-operative. Then I decided I should choose the best, and I wanted to take the second opinion. I tried Dr. Mahadevaya, who is considered to be the expert in treating the same thing. I had flown to Bangalore, and I happened to meet Mr. Mahadevaya, who exactly reiterated what Mr. Pradeep Singh and his team have said. Then immediately I wanted to take another opinion also, because I was totally worried about the post-operative complications. Those were apprehended. Then I went to Dr. Srinivas, I don't exactly remember the name, Dr. Srinivas of Star Hospital. And he also reiterated the same thing. And I have pulled out all my resources, and I was just looking for a safest place where I can go walk out quite comfortably, healthily. Then I decided this hospital and Dr. Pradeep Singh are the best ones who can relieve me of all the worries whatever I was having. I stepped in. I have decided that I should undergo this surgery, and I stepped in here, and I have an insurance. I am insured with ICICI Lombard, and financial advisors here, especially Dr. Pooja, Dr. Shravan, Dr. Nagaraj and team, they have helped me a lot and they have guided me a lot, and they were very much able to help me in getting my claim sanctioned at the earliest. And Dr. Pradeep has taken utmost precautions. He has guided me very well, he has briefed me very well, and he has injected a lot of confidence in me for undergoing this surgery. Yesterday morning, I got admitted here around 8 o'clock, and by 11 o'clock my surgery commenced, and only because of the safest procedures and only because of the highest infrastructure availability in this hospital, around 4:30 my surgery was over, and 4:35 itself I was totally conscious, and many people were telling me that if I undergo general anesthesia, it takes 2-3 hours for me to totally come out of the anesthetic feelings after the surgery. But whereas I don't know what infrastructure this hospital has, because the moment surgery was over, within 5 to 10 minutes, I was totally normal, and I took liquids in next 1 hour time, and I was able to take semi-solids as dinner yesterday, and today morning I could walk on my own, and there is absolutely no pain, and there is even cosmetically also no sutures are being so visibly damaging my face charm, and I recommend this hospital. I recommend this hospital for anything, and whoever comes in, if he can't walk out totally healthy from this hospital, he has no right to live anywhere in the world. With this statement, I thank all the staff, all the nursing staff, all the doctors. I congratulate Dr. Guru Reddy for building and presenting this monument to a pearl city of Hyderabad. I advise all patients to avail this facility, and no need for us to travel to New York, no need for us to travel to Mumbai for any medical needs. We have contemporarily the best hospital available in Hyderabad. Kindly make use of it. Thank you.